5 simple ways to make your woman feel loved. Welcome back, guys, to my channel once again. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the few simple ways that can help you, make your woman feel loved. That always very simple. You always don't have to do a lot. It's all about you. You don't have to stretch out so much. It doesn't involve money. It's all about you doing these simple ways, and you'll be able to show your woman that you love her. All you gotta do is watch this video to the very end. Get to understand these few ways that will help you a lot in your relationship. Get to show your woman that you love her, my dear man. Number one on my list today is showing up constantly. This is a very powerful weapon that will always help you show a woman that you love her. In this way, you always have to be consistent in whatever you do. Always have to show up and keep on that consistency of showing up whenever she needs you. Whenever she needs you to support her, always be there. Show up constantly to support her, to hold her back in all situations that she go through in her life. Show her that you'll always be there to support her, to stand with her in all circumstances in her life. That is just more than enough to show a woman that you really love her. Just being consistent in showing up in all circumstances where she needs you is just enough to make her feel loved, my dear man. Number 2 is being vulnerable. This is also a very powerful and important way that will make you show your woman, that will make your woman feel loved. Always being vulnerable around the woman you love, showing her that you trust her, because being vulnerable, it takes a lot. It shows that you trust and she means a lot to you. Always a man getting to be vulnerable around the woman she loves, it shows a lot. She shows that she trusts this woman and she will feel comfortable around you, and like she'll feel good to know that you trust her by being vulnerable, getting to share every detail about you, all your strength, maybe all your fears, because being so or opening up to her will always make her feel so loved, because it takes a lot for someone to be vulnerable, taking away all your pride and getting to share, open up to her means a lot to most women, and we feel so loved whenever a man gets to open up to us and tell us all about themselves. It shows a lot. It shows that this woman means a lot in your life, and that is more than enough to make her feel loved. So, my dear man, it's always very simple. Just get to be vulnerable around the woman you love, and that's just more than enough to show that you love her. Another simple way to show your woman that you love her, my dear man, is surprise her thoughtfully. Always don't have to do a lot. You don't need a lot to get to surprise your woman. In most cases, it's very simple. Always maybe plan simple dinner at home or anywhere. Take her to a special place. That's not too expensive. It's just a good memory to her. Get to surprise her with some simple things that will always leave good memory of the two of you. And that's just enough. Just being thoughtful, it's what counts. Thoughtfulness counts a lot in a relationship. Whereas being thoughtful, it shows your partner that you really care about them, you really think about them always, and you're interested in being around them. You always care about their well-being, just getting to think about them, organize or surprise them with even if a little thing. It will be a lot to them, because it creates a great memory, a joyful memory with you. So always get to surprise your partner thoughtfully, You always don't have to wait for their special days in their life to surprise them. Maybe their birthdays, you don't have to wait for that. Always get to surprise them where they don't expect. This is what counts a lot. In that way, she'll be able to feel so loved because she'll know that this person really thinks about me, and she'll always get to understand or to know that, realize that this that you think about her already is by organizing or surprising her thoughtfully. Number 4 is speak her love language. It's always very important in any relationship, in any healthy relationship, to understand your partner's love language, and so important. So in this, whenever you get to understand your partner's language, it will help you to speak that language, to speak what they need, speak exactly their love language. If it's affection, always get to be affectionate enough. If it's acts of service, get to help them around with work, such. And if it's gifts, always get to gift them. That way they will always feel loved. It's a matter of understanding and speaking their language that counts, and that way they will be able to feel special, feel loved. In that way, just understanding their love language is just more than enough to make them feel loved, my dear men. Last on my list is compliment them on things that they think you don't notice, my dear men. It's very important to always compliment your loved ones, which makes them feel special. Always get to compliment them on things that they feel or they think you can't notice. For example, always don't be so connected to complimenting them on only their maybe physical appearance, on what they put on their physical appearance, their looks. Always go further to compliment them on things that they think you don't notice, like maybe the way she handles situation, how she's a good problem solver, how she supports you, how she encourages you. Get to compliment her. Tell her that I love the way you always encourage me whenever I'm down. That is just more than enough to make this woman feel so loved, my dear men. That's all I had for you in today's video. I hope you have got to learn, and they will help you a lot. These few ways that will help you make your partner feel loved. Subscribe, comment. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.